In your Vote 2020 tonight, Congressman Dr. Ruiz served as moderator Saturday for a national panel on the topic of COVID-19's impact on the Latino community. Panelists included Jill Biden, former Second Lady and wife of presumptive Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden. News Channel 3's Caitlin Thrope has highlights from the discussion.
This pandemic has been devastating. And that is especially true of Black and brown communities.
Former Second Lady Jill Biden was among 6 others in a panel moderated by Dr. Ruiz on Saturday. Dr. Ruiz shared his expertise on COVID-19 virtually from Palm Desert. Each panelist spoke about the struggles of working families, frontline workers, and small businesses in local Latin communities.
Latinos are at higher risk of getting infected with coronavirus due to being essential workers in locations that do not have the resources and do not allow the proper precautions to take place.
Dr. Ruiz says Latin communities lack resources like target testing, tracing, and quarantining locations to keep them safe. Another panelist, Dr. Robert Rodriguez, a professor of emergency medicine at the University of California, San Francisco School of Medicine, shared his thoughts.
First and foremost, I think that we need to address this topic seriously.
And Amira Sakura with National Nurses Unite was another panelist who spoke.
We need to increase testing availability immediately, and we need to do so in a way that is free and easily accessible.
This panel was a part of a larger virtual conference held by the League of Latin American Citizens. About 1,500 people attended this virtual conference from all over the United States. Caitlin Thrope, News Channel 3.
Now, News Channel 3 reached out to Congressman Raul Ruiz's opponent in November, Republican Erin Cruz, for her thoughts on COVID-19's impact on the Latino community. She provided a written statement, which reads in part, quote, "Individuals in our communities have suffered from job loss, financial stresses from small business closures, and lack of basic services, and now as a result, the suicide rate is up. Schools, businesses, and churches being shuttered due to COVID-19 are among top concerns I hear from not only the Latino community, but from all communities."